Hi, my name is Brian. I'm going to do a little demo video and show you how to shoot this location using I should take off my sunglasses. Using some off-camera flash. It's going to be a bit of a how-to video. Just to prove a point, I'm going to use my XTI. I have a 5D, but I'm going to use my XTI just to prove that you don't need a good camera and lens to do some cool pictures. You need to look for nice framing. You got to use light nicely. So here's what I have. Let me show you. So I've got the Yongnuo, I don't even know what these are. These are the CTR 301P flash adapters. Got a 430EX. I'm going to put one of these on 430EX. I'm going to put it to the wireless mode. Turn it on. I'm going to put my trigger, making sure no one's coming. I'm a little embarrassed. I'm in Grand Teton here. I'm going to stick the transmitter on top of the XTI. I'm using a basic kit lens. It's an 1855. I've got a polarizer on the front. I found an old Vivitar 2800 piece of junk flash, which I'm also going to use. Mounted it. Now let's set it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this flash on. I've mounted it to a GorillaPod, and I'm going to put it down on the ground here and just kind of aim it up at this bench for a little bit of kick light on the bench. And now let's set our frame. So I only have one tripod, and the video camera is mounted to the tripod, but basically for the shot that you're going to see in a moment, the XTI is mounted over here. I have basically the bench. I can zoom in so I can see through the window. I can see the mountain. Use the polarizer to make sure it's nice and dark. And then there you go. There's my frame. At this point I would lock it on the tripod, and now I can go over there and fire the flash and see how it comes out. So now what I'm going to do is, I don't have another stand because I traveled kind of light. Got a 430EX with another trigger on the bottom. I've got a little remote for my XTI, which, as you saw, is right over there in the corner. And what I'm basically going to do is just stand out of the way, and I'm going to aim it kind of downward because I want some nice texture to this wood paneling here. And it should create a nice kind of area around the window. I've got the bench, which will be a little bit illuminated, and then we'll be able to see the mountains in the back thanks to the polarizer and the zooming in. I have the flash in manual mode. I have it zoomed into 70mm because I really just want a slit of light going across, and I have it at 1/4 power. Don't want it to be too bright. I just want it to illuminate a little bit of the inside of the cabin, and that's about it. Here we go. So that basically is the end of the video. I'm going to show a couple other shots that I've done in this cabin. As I said, I'm in Grand Teton in Wyoming, and here's just some of the shots I played around with while in the cabin. Some with flash, actually most with flash, a couple without. Obviously the Vista is without. The door frame I think is without. Hope you enjoy.